Is your CapCut app not responding or freezing on your iPhone? This usually happens due to low device memory, outdated app versions, or temporary software glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut app not responding or freezing issues on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app. Then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm. And it's been cleared. Solution 3. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If it didn't work, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon, type CapCut. Now find the CapCut app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. Now try to open the CapCut app again and see whether it works or not. Solution 5. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software updates available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Now go ahead and try to open the CapCut app again and see what happens. Hope your issue is solved by now. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.